Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change column heights in Elementor. This is a crucial skill for creating visually balanced layouts and ensuring your design elements align exactly how you want them on your WordPress site. Let's jump right into it. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Pages, and from the dropdown that appears, select Add Page. This will create a new page for you to work with. After the page is created, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor and click it. This launches the Elementor editor interface where all the magic happens. Now you're inside the Elementor panel, which is your main workspace for building and customizing your page layout. Look for the plus button, typically represented by a plus icon. Click on it to bring up the structure options. From here, select Flexbox. This gives you a flexible container system where you can choose whatever structure best suits your design needs. Whether you need multiple columns or a specific layout arrangement, Flexbox provides the foundation for it. Once you've set up your structure, click directly on the container you want to modify. This is an important step because it tells Elementor which specific element you're working with. After clicking the container, turn your attention to the menu that appears on the left side of your screen. You'll see several tabs here, and you want to navigate to the one labeled Layout. Click on that tab to access all the spacing and sizing controls for your container. Within the Layout tab, scroll down until you find the option called Min Height. This is the key setting that controls the minimum height your column will maintain. Click on the min height field and adjust the value based on your preferences. You can enter specific pixel values or use other units like percentages or viewport height, depending on what works best for your design. As you adjust this value, you'll see your column height change in real time on the preview, allowing you to fine-tune it until it looks exactly right. And that's it. You've successfully changed the column height in Elementor, giving you precise control over your page layout and visual hierarchy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.